is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
So today we're in Daegu, and we're at the Daegu International Shooting Range, because every time we travel overseas we must shoot guns. Yes. So they've got like a skirmish round over there, and they've got like a fake Chinook helicopter. They've got indoor BB gun shoots, but we're all gonna go clay shooting and stuff like that. But apparently they're all having lunch, so we must wait an hour.
뽑아주시면 되고요.
We're doing air rifles first.
버튼하고 10버튼 두 개, 두 개만 주시면 됩니다. 10버튼 누르면 10m.
That was the pistol.
Huh? Yeah.
It's a cheese! It's cheese!
I'm pretty happy with mine.
Right? So these were the first couple because I was aiming there.
Yeah, so am I.
Then I sort of moved up there. So I had to aim up there to get there.
This is heavy.
Yeah, videos.
Good shot for auto.
Okay, you ready?
I'm fucking ready. Go.
You high.
Yep.
Go.
Oh yeah.
Go. Oh, good. Oh, you're very, very nice. Okay, one more time.
Go.
Right. Okay, good.
Okay.
Good shot.
Okay.
The clay shooting was good. I did the clay shooting about 11 years ago, just before Lumi was born, and I got like 5 out of 10 this time. This time I think I got 6 or 7, but
I probably got about the same.
shoulder is killing me though.
Well, if your shoulder's killing from that, we better not take that with the 308, man, because that wasn't much at all.
I don't think I was I think it's the headphones, like they were just literally sticking into my arm. Yeah, that goes a bit better than me.
A bit.
Just a bit. Come on, Lemmy.
Bit.
Let's go. Next destination in Daegu. That was fun. Need to do that again before we leave. The clay shooting stuff anyway. That was good.
Then it went up to 10 degrees. And then it went up to 8 degrees. Same as here. Wait. So.
Okay, so today's weather will be hot.
Today is what is today?
반대라니까 티가 내. We're at Daegu Tower. It's supposed to be like top attraction here in Daegu. Apparently, there it is. Yes. Apparently they got some attraction here where they drop you from the top of the tower. may have to try that, but I'm petrified of heights. $312 meters high. How much was Taipei 101? 355, wasn't it? Whoa. It's pretty good.
No way.
Similar to Taipei 101, but clearer. So we're at 312 meters, Daegu Tower, and Eiffel Tower is 324. Nice. Now, the place is massive. It's a huge city. Third largest city in Korea, up to Seoul and Busan, and then Daejeon is number 4. Come on, drop him. Drop him!
That's a long way up.
105 meters.
Yeah.
Look! Whoa! $105 meters down. So we're on the tower. But to jump off the tower is $50, which is really cheap, 50,000 won. 50, 60 Australian dollars depending on the exchange rate. It's right here. But they're only open on the weekend. Right there. So might need to come back on the weekend and do this. Having an iced latte because I need a coffee. Again, worst coffee in the world. There's just no love in it. No love. This kind of concludes our day in Daegu. We didn't see much because we came out here late, but what do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? We should come back here. We really wanted to see the military airport, but apparently it's a little bit hard to get in. And with us looking dodgy and all. But I'm sure if we stayed here for a couple of days it'd be more fun. So subscribe, like, share, all that good. Oh my god. What did you do? Alright, subscribe, like, share. I think we're gonna go to the sauna again tonight. My knees are feeling way better. I reckon one more go in the sauna might fix it all because we've got a mountain to climb on Sunday. Another one. Anyway, signing out. That's the best thing about Korean highways is you pick up a ticket, you get off at the next stop, give the ticket, and then you pay for the amount of time you've traveled. Instead of Australia where they just charge you $20 for no reason for just taking one exit. 안녕하세요. Hi.
You never know what's around the next